So hello guys, in this video I'm going to give you a fucking tutorial how to make a thumbnail like me as you saw in the thumbnail of the video. So let's get started. As I'm using After Effects, so I'll just click at the Control plus New button to make a composition, and the files required, like you can find them anywhere, or I'll give a Google Drive link so you can download it from there. Okay, so the resolution I'm choosing is 16:9 1290. Width and height is 1080. You don't need to look at the advanced, so let's click OK. Like, yeah, let's choose a shorter time. Okay, now I'll be just importing the files I need, and then we'll just take a look. Okay, so I guess you'll need some plugins for this, but uh, like you have to wait some time. Like, wait, I've got my files. Where's this? Yep. This is like 2K file. I mean, like, its resolution is 2K, not 4K, but 2K. Okay. No, I didn't use this as a thumbnail. Okay. Yeah, I used this one, and Control plus R. Yeah. I've kept it in this folder, I guess. Yeah. Where did I fucking keep that? Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, I just got it. Here it is. Like, okay. First, I need this file to be like fully here. Okay, and then my photos. First, I'll be choosing Tanjiro. Where is it? Where is it? Yep, I got it. Okay. Look at this. Like, its resolution is not good enough. Okay, so the thing is, you will be just scaling it up and like sharpen. It's like this sharpen effect on him, and let's say the value is 23, or you can see the difference. But I'll not be doing it right now. I'll be doing when I make it. I mean, when I pre-compose. The thing is, you need to just set up the images according to you. Okay, like this is this big. What do we call it? I just forgot the name. Okay. Uh, Inosuke. Inosuke. Uh, yeah, scale it. So, yeah, but he'll be at the last, I guess, because I don't think he's more important. Zensu. Scale it up to, I guess, 147 only. 147. Set up the value to 147. And his face should be just touching the screen, or maybe, yeah, it's. You should have more space for another characters also. Like now, the last, who's that? Yeah, Nezuko. Where's Nezuko-chan? Uh, we have to keep Nezuko away from Zenitsu. Okay, so something wrong doesn't happen. Scale it up to 147. I guess. Yep. I'm making this tutorial because I have to increase my watch time. I don't want to get in stuff like fucking copyrights. Okay, I guess it's okay. Yeah. And now we're gonna pre-compose all of them. Pre-compose. Go that yeah, cartoon. They are all animes, but we choose in fact cartoon. Okay, yeah, you can see the difference. Set the value to 1.1, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Yeah, exposure, I guess. Yeah, yeah, exposure. No, we should. Yeah, it's okay. No, or we should put it in minus. Okay, and then lastly the curves, I guess. I don't know if it's the same as in the thumbnail, but I'll be trying it because I guess this is okay, and we'll increase this. Okay, now it's finally done. Let me save it. Tutorial thumbnail collab. Yep. What's left? Yeah, the text. Control Shift Alt T, and we'll read tutorial. Yep. And like zoom it up, zoom it up. Okay, then search here for color gradient, deep glow, deep glow. You have to get this plugin. I don't care where you get it from. Look out for text. Okay, and then CC cylinder, I guess. CC cylinder. Yep. I don't remember if I chose BCC or CC. Wait, yes, 27. No, I didn't choose this one. I have to choose this BCC. You have to also get this BCC cylinder. I mean this BCC plugin. I guess if it's okay, like you can see the difference. No, there's no difference. Yeah, there's a slight difference. Then you have to scale it up to what I don't care anyone. Okay, just 45, 63. Oh yeah, 45 maybe. No, then it becomes too big. 130. No, I guess 120 is enough. Okay, it's a little bit bended, like you can see. When I turn it off, it's like this, and I will turn it on, it's like this. So, value to 50, I guess. 50 is enough. And so, here we talk about doing something rubbish. So, let me choose you, and you have to click this button. You see this? What's it? I have to choose you. Okay, why can't I choose you? You have to click this button. Delete. Wait, just let me like for just adjusting this. I need to, yeah. Okay, this is this, and then go to O, select it, and you have to just repeat this step number of times to get the exact same as me. Okay, I guess it's okay now. Yeah. Okay. Now what's left? Nothing is left. You can add like anything you want here. Yeah. Let me just add an overlay. Where is it? I can't find it. Like Spark one overlay. Yeah, this one. Like this is the overlay. Okay. I can see the sparks. I can see it. Sparks. Yeah, I can see it. Now here what you have to do is the turn is blending mode into add. Uh, what did this happen? Let me try something. Lighten. No, I guess add is most appropriate. Yeah, add is more appropriate. Screen is also good, but I prefer add. Okay, and let's see our VES curves. Deep glow. No, I guess it's enough. You don't need to get overlays. Yeah, right. This is all you can do. Okay. And if you want any overlays, you can put it at the back. Let me show you some examples. I don't know, but my PC is not getting it right now. Like this one. Where is it? Like I've got this overlay. Like I don't know. I don't need these overlays, but I'm just like showing them for the tutorial. If anybody wants to do that, just go at the blending mode and put it into add. Okay, and then add deep glow to it. I guess it will work. I don't know if it's, yeah, it does works. Okay, so this is what you can do. And if you want anything else, you can tell me in the comment. I know most of you guys use Elite Motion, but what can I do? I know, actually I also did the Elite Motion at some time, but I just left it. So okay, that's all for today. And let me tell you how to export it. Click the export button after in the queue, and lossless. You have to click as lossless and choose the format as PNG, because AVI is like MP4 sort. Yeah, AVI is MP4. So PNG sequence, and name it as you want to, and just click the render button. I'll be just rendering it. Okay, okay, it just happened. Yeah, it just happened. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. I'll be providing this file so you can download it from here. I'll be also providing this overlay and this all these hits, but you have to download the plugins yourself. I can't do it. I don't have much internet, you know. I don't have Wi-Fi at my home. I don't have fucking Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll be just editing this post, but you'll be getting this video in black and white. So sorry for that, because I don't have much space. I only have 70 GB. No, I guess I have 150, but I've already used it much. So that's all for today. I have my fucking exams tomorrow. So I just. Okay, bye. Bye.